My name is Trooper Lara. I'll be 4 years on patrol in May of this year. I graduated the B-21 Academy. DP was always the goal. I was working in the jail for 3 years at Rick PD, and I applied there, then I applied for DPS. It's a job with great responsibility, and you take great pride in it because you're the highest law enforcement in Texas. I think what people don't talk about is also, it's a very fast-paced, changing environment. You're working for the whole state. An hour to the next, you got something happening in Austin, and your sergeant's calling you, hey, you need to pack a bag, we're going to Austin, we got riots at the Capitol. And that's what you sign up to do, that's the job you take whenever you take the oath. Being asked to help local agencies, and I think that the local agencies and other agencies rely on us a lot because of our assets. And I think because of that other agencies look forward to us assisting them getting tasks done, knowing that it will be getting done if we're called upon.
Hey man, Highway Patrol, reason face off your speed. That's not an excuse, man. You can't be going that fast on the road. Look, man, that's gonna be a ticket for the speed. It's gonna be a warning, and for the insurance, it'll be a warning for the changing lane, right? Okay, you may come in, that's all right.
Got him at 102.
What were the 28s for the Chrysler?
Said his grandma fell, so he's in a rush. Told him, man, I understand, but we gotta give him the benefit of the doubt, Tell him that you get one that fast and then falling too close and you smack somebody from the back, All right, sir, look, here's gonna be probably a ticket right here, okay? It's gonna be a ticket for the for the speeding and for the insurance. Everything else gonna be a warning, all right?
Hi, sir, Highway Patrol, reason face stops, your tail lights out. Your tail light on the right side, you want to take a look at it? Yeah, come off me. I mentioned, right here, it's my unit, okay? It's going to be a warning, everything, license, okay? Just right here.
Anything on your license? No tickets or warrants? Nothing like that? Nah?
I was gonna ask you.
Monday.
Y'all don't do right along.
Yeah, this is a process though, but you gotta contact the DPS office. And ahorita outside, let me just look, okay? Looking right there.
It's just going to be a warning, okay? It's still a violation, so just make sure that there is convenience security with that, okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, bro.
You have any questions, man?
Did he answer your questions about the ride along?
No, I'm good, bro.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh no, good out. Be safe.
In the right along?
Yeah, I'm sorry, what about it? Yeah, so I know if you have interest in law enforcement, you go through the process. If you have any questions, you can contact the DPS office and talk to somebody, they'll help you out with that, okay? That way in case you're interested in it, alright, man?
Yeah, alright.
No, be safe, alright?
Yeah.
Reason for your stop, man, just speed.
Face up, man. You gotta come complete stop. We hit the stop sign.
Where y'all headed to?
We're going home already. We went to eat some Denny's.
Did y'all get a short stack?
I got the chocolana.
Alright, so it's gonna be a warrant, okay?
Worked Friday night. They called it a Friday night. They were drunk, so went to go look for this DWI. Found him, located him, lit him up. Car didn't stop, took off. Put the grapple to work.
Driver, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands up. Yes, you will.
So he was highly intoxicated. I got his alcohol level back, and it was 3 times the legal limit. And we got the guy out of the vehicle, and he didn't even know what was happening. He was still trying to tell us to, give him a ride to the bar that was down the street. Didn't even know where he was at, and we had to get him medically cleared and everything. So he was very highly intoxicated. The grappler is good because it attaches to the vehicle, brings it to a stop, and if it's utilized correctly, it's perfect in not causing that much damage or any injuries whatsoever for the driver and the suspect vehicle. It's a great job. It's a great thing to do. You're helping people out. Schedules change like any other job. Tasks are being made. You're being asked to help local agencies. It's good to be called out and know that your job is valued and required to help other people